Hey guys, welcome to the new channel, MMMTutorials. Today we're going to cover the Alesis MultiMix 8 USB FX mixer with Magix Music Maker 2020 Premium Edition. Let's get to it. First step, open up Control Panel. Go to Hardware, go to Sound, look for the new device, which should say Audio Codec. Double click on it, go to Levels and set them to 4 if you follow the Alesis guideline. I left mine at 100% as you can see here, as my levels were too low at 4. Now go to Advanced, make sure you're set at 16-bit, 44.1 Hertz or 44,100 Hertz. Uncheck both boxes underneath Exclusive Control. Hit Apply and OK. Now go into Recording and repeat this process. Do levels at 4 or your preferred level. Go over to Advanced, and again make sure you're set at 16-bit, 44.1 Hertz or 44,100, and uncheck both boxes underneath Exclusive Control. Hit Apply and OK. Now on both recording and playback, you need to set this device to default device and default communication. Once you have those set, you can close out the settings and open up Music Maker. Alright, now that you have Music Maker open, you can hit New Project or just close it out. Hit the little gear at the top left hand corner, go to Audio MIDI and hit Advanced. If you have no red X's and it shows your mixer is functional, you have successfully installed your mixer to Magix Music Maker. If you have a red X in one spot, 2 spots, or all 3, there's an issue, and we will go through this in troubleshooting. Most commonly, it's either the settings not being set right, or you have to unplug and replug. Now, in order to do this, you have to close out Music Maker. Music Maker will not recognize your device if it's open when you unplug and replug, or even plug a device in while you're using it. So make sure you close Music Maker, go back to your hardware and sound settings, double check, make sure that you have them set to default device and default communications device. Go to Advanced and make sure that you have both boxes unchecked for Exclusive Control. Close that out, go back to Music Maker, hit the little gear and go back to Audio MIDI and hit Advanced. If you have any red X's, it's unsuccessful. If it's still unsuccessful, close Music Maker. Unplug your USB for the mixer for approximately 10 seconds. Replug your mixer in and give it enough time for it to reinstall the driver. Once the driver is reinstalled, reopen Music Maker and repeat the process as before. Go to the gear, go to Audio MIDI and hit Advanced. You should be good to go. Hey guys, hope this tutorial was helpful. Please give a like if you liked it, if it was helpful. Please drop a comment, let me know whether it was helpful, whether you need help, have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on the latest tutorials and more from this channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.